Hello, friends. Reporting live. I'm playing. Hi, guys. Welcome to and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheryl Rochelle. If you're new here, and welcome to another garden series. So I haven't picked you guys up in a while, but I'm about to show you the growth I have so far. Mind you, I am ready to transplant a lot of these, but I haven't done it yet. This will have to wait until this weekend, but I want to show you guys what we're working with so far. So far, we're doing so good, y'all. So good. And then I'm not gonna go outside right now because it's nothing really changed outside. I could show you how the green bean plant looks in here because I do have one in here, and I'm about to transfer it outside probably this weekend too. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If I didn't say it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this gardening series. All right, y'all, so this is what we have. Please don't mind this bottle of water. This glass of water. I need to water it. I need to actually clean up over here. But y'all, look at my squashes. I don't know if you guys remember from previous vlogs how small the squashes were, but look at them now. They're doing so good. These are either the tomatoes. These are the ones that was in the greenhouse that I don't know what they are, but look how big they're growing. Look at this one too. So I did plant some more like seeds in here, and I see something trying to come out. I don't know what it's like 3 seeds per row, and I don't remember, y'all. Every time I plant something in here, it's just like a rite of passage that I don't remember what I planted. So I don't know. I don't even think I was recording, so I can't go back to that footage to see. But yeah, we have growth in the greenhouse. Look at how big these plants have grown. I'm sorry. And then this is the okra, about to transfer that soon. This is the tomato plant that we're about to transfer soon because they have their true leaves. This over here is more cucumber. We have cabbage that's coming in. I'm have high hopes for them. The lettuce, I don't know. I'm gonna take it as a loss. I'm gonna reseed some because I have one more of these greenhouses that I could put some seeds in. So I'm gonna redo my beets, lettuce, and 2 other ones. I just can't remember right now. This is another squash that I'll be transferring soon. I do have one pepper plant coming in. So exciting. Hopefully he or she stays strong. We hope so. Look at the okra. The okra is growing strong. I didn't update you guys, but I did get another grow lamp, and I added another what's these tables called, like TV tables. I'm so glad I didn't throw these out because look, Josh had this when he was a bachelor, like the TV tables, and they weren't they weren't getting used here. So I'm so glad I didn't throw these out. But yeah, so using stuff that I wasn't using that was just in the closet. Over here we have the cucumbers growing strong. We have some peppermints, basil, and more peppermint. Green onion, that's another one I may reseed because look how small they are. They're not strong enough. And yeah, we're getting there. I am so happy with this growth. I talk to my plants. I do talk to them. So I just like, oh, you're gonna be big and strong. Go being big and strong. Eventually I need to add some more dirt to these because I saw on TikTok that these little fur things actually are roots. Like, could be roots. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and add more dirt. I'm gonna do that tonight probably once I get off. Just add more dirt to these 2 pots and maybe more dirt to this pot. But we are getting there, y'all. We are getting there. It's so exciting. Thank you guys so much for coming along on this journey. We are getting there. I know I started off with the raised bed and I still haven't done it yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. I just have been so busy. I've been gone a lot, so yeah, I'm shocked that my plants last this long. Their father, Joshua, he's been looking out for them too, so when I've been gone. But yeah, I'm so happy, and I can't wait to show you guys like them in a raised bed. I can't wait to buy a trellis for like my cucumbers to grow on top, my green beans and everything. I just can't wait. I can't wait to put them outside because the weather, I think we had our last freeze. Our last freeze was the first week of April. So I think we had our last freeze, and I think the weather is going to be spring, like a true spring now. So we will see. We will see. But yeah, this is exciting. So I just wanted to start off another garden series. I wanted to show you guys the progress that we have made. And yeah, let me know down below what if you planted seeds this year and what you're planting. I don't know if I don't think YouTube comments let you have pictures, but if you follow me on social media, Sherelle Rochelle, I had my threads, and then Sherelle Rochelle TikTok, Sherelle Rochelle Instagram. Drop me a picture of your garden. I would love to see it as well. I've been in love with watching. Sorry, my glasses are slipping. I've been in love with watching like TikToks on gardening and stuff. So exciting. And your girl got another grow lamp and everything. Like, who is she? Like, I am truly a plant mom. But this is food. We're really growing food now, so yeah. Y'all, cricket. My backyard is, I don't know. Anyway, we finally put the raised bed out. I'm about to fill it up. I have this fabric thingy, and I'm about to mix my soil and my manure, and yeah, because it's time to transplant some of my plants outdoors. It's time, and my little tables are not cutting it, so yeah. This is the raised bed so far, and then next up we gotta put our plants out here.